Hello friends, this is Janak Shah from Virtual World. Today I will present on CRM, Customers Relationship Management. Million dollar question, why do we work? We work, we work to earn money. Yes, money is important part. What is required to earn money? Customers. So now how we can get the customers? We get by developing relations. So how to develop relations? Important to understand the customers, their needs, their wants, likes and dislikes. Normally different customers have different tastes, so they are different from each other. Understand the psychology of customers as they want extra by spending less. Now 3W's principle works with them. What they buy, when they buy and why they buy. Normally, customers prefer to purchase branded items or they will purchase if it is suggested or recommended by their friends and family. When they purchase during festival seasons or special occasions or when they need it. And last, why they buy. Customers either purchase if they are in need or that product or there is a huge discounts or offers are going on. So there are different types of purchases. It's a need based purchases, sometimes impulse purchases or sometimes random purchases. Now let's understand how to build strong relations with your customers. So first is your approach. Approach for building relation, it is important that you greet customers with a smile and namaste. A smile is the best medium to approach customers and to win their confidence. Warm welcome is also required. It will create a good impression. Second, have an eye to eye contact during the process of sales. It will bring heart to heart connections. You must listen your customers carefully. In order to understand their needs, you must keep patience. Do not jump for the sale. Listen them carefully, understand them. By observing, you can appreciate their thoughts. Gradually, you will win the confidence and trust of your customers. Now, let's see, after approaching customers, try to engage them by giving right choice. You must give right product to the right customers. So, after understanding their needs, you should give them right products or right choice. Give them demo or detailing about the products. By you can ask them open-ended questions and understand more and more detail about the likes or requirements. And understanding their budgets, you can suggest some products. Why they are purchasing, you must find out the main reason for, and according to that you should give them. Attract the customers to take decisions by explaining them FAB. FAB is nothing but features of the product, advantages of the product and benefits of the products. So now customer will understand everything about the products, what is required. Even give space to think now. Let them think and decide among their friends or in their, give them time. Once you have attached the customers and created desire, convert their wants into needs. This way you can attract all customers. Normally do not open all discounts at a time. Gradually give him, but the transparency should be there. Do not hide anything. If he asks, do not hesitate to say. We will build bond with the customers. And while bond always remember to make customers happy while they do purchasing. And customers should feel that he or she is special customers. Do not go to sell but go to help him to purchase. This was Till now, we understood how to build relations with customers. Now what? After sales. After sales service is also a part of sales as it will help to build strong relations. So post sales, your first step should be approach customers again. In this, once you have completed sales, the customer has purchased, contact them and try to take their feedback about the product and services. So if important is feedback, you have acknowledge their feedback and implement it. To engage and retain the customers, so they will come for the repeat purchases. That customers will uh, their subsequent purchases from you only. You can do this by providing them discounts and rewards, texting or SMS on their special days. Example, on their birthdays or anniversary, you send them good messages or discounts, special discounts. You can also hold special events at your place to invite customers to visit shop or online. Example, Republic Days or Children Day or Valentine Day. You can also provide loyalty card to the customers where they can earn loyalty or reward points. So they will continuously purchase from you. Every purchases they will get, they can redeem their subsequent, get the points and in subsequent they can redeem that. Now, in order to have loyal customers, first of all is important to enhance the customers, satisfy their needs, enhance them by providing quality product and quality services. Second, repeat demand should come so that customers will come and purchase repeatedly. They will approach you for subsequent purchases. Hence, if you are able to retain customers for shorter period and able to satisfy his extra demand, he will become your loyal customers. Let's understand 4 E's of relationships in marketing. Ethical. Relations are always built and develop on ethics. There should be honesty in relations. There should be trust, transparency, and purity. When you are engaging the customers in relations, so E for second is effectiveness of relations. That also depends on ethics and positive approach, which will build effective relations. Your relations should be enjoyable also. So customers must enjoy the relations. He should be happy during the sales process. And now fourth is enthusiastic. Your customers should go home with enthusiastics. He should engage the you should engage the customers efficiently and has built good relations. So they can go. The customers will do subsequent purchase and will bring more customers. They will announce with their friends also. So this way I will like to end presentation about CRM, that is customer relationship management from virtual world. Thank you.